Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go over all the stuff that went on with this custom Glock 19 slide. Now this is a regular stock Glock 19 barrel. I did all the machine work on this. I shortened it so it was flush with the end of the pistol slide, and I put the chamfer in there. And then once I got all that done, I took it over to the mill and cut these flutes in here. And then once I got all the machine work done, I sent this thing out to California to Titanium Gun. I have done a couple videos with Titanium Gun. Their most popular thing is putting titanium nitride coating on gun parts. They do all sorts of gun parts. If it's any kind of steel, they can coat it for you. So be sure to check those guys out. And all you have to do is whatever you want coated, just get in touch with them. Mail it out to them, they'll coat it and mail it right back to you. And with the Glock 19 on your recoil spring, you do have a screw on the end of this that you can take off. So before I sent this over to Titanium Gun, I took that screw off and sent it with the barrel, and they were able to coat both of them for me, and it really looks good on the end of the pistol slide. And if you're new to the channel and you're interested, I do parts and modifications videos, and this was one of the more recent videos that I showed how I did all this stuff. So if you're interested in checking that out, there's going to be a link right up on the screen for you. So that's the barrel. Let's move on to the slide. Now with the pistol slide, I did do the machine work on this as well. I machined a top opening and a smaller opening on both sides. Then I put front serrations on here, and I also put front serrations that line up with the sides on the top as well. And then I did some weight reduction cuts on both sides. That is all the machine work I did on this pistol slide. When I got the machine work done, I sent it to EDC Tactical. What's really cool about them is they're in my home state of Virginia, so I didn't have to mail it very far. They are in Richmond, and they did the cerakote job on this, which turned out really, really nice. EDC Tactical makes AR-15 lowers, which what makes them apart from other guys is when you order a AR-15 lower from EDC Tactical, they do special engraving on their lowers, so you can get in touch with them and have your own custom AR-15 lower made. As well as the engraving, they do Cerakote, and you can get your lower Cerakoted in a bunch of different colors. And you can also send them stuff like pistol slides and get it cerakoted. So that's all the Glock 19 slide. All this did turn out really nice, especially since this is the first Glock period that I've ever customized before. I do plan on doing more stuff in the future, but this was my first one, and I like it. It turned out pretty cool. I did do a video as well on the machine work I did on the pistol slide. If you're interested in that, there'll be a link up on the screen for you to check that video out. So I did a custom slide for the Glock 19. It was cerakoted by EDC Tactical. Then I took a regular stock Glock 19 barrel and did some modifications to it, and I sent that out to Titanium Gun out in California, and they did the titanium nitride coating on it for me. Be sure to check both of these companies out, and stay tuned because I've got another video coming sometime in the near future of the whole entire Glock 19 build, and I'll talk about everything that went into the whole entire pistol, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.
Orca Tactical makes bags for all of your range and outdoor needs. Range bags, backpacks, and other bags where the different uses are endless. Use discount code WILEY15 for 15% off your order at orcatacticalgear.com.